Get ready to stir up some trouble because this beef stir fry is dangerously delicious. But first, I start with this. So, lock the door and let's get started. I have 3 steaks here, okay? And I have some veggies here that I cut up and I'll list it all. There's peppers, there's broccoli, there's onion, and carrot. Whatever you have, don't be shy, whatever's in your fridge. But I'm gonna cut up the steaks because we wanna get it marinating. We just wanna have that beef like melt in your mouth good. Okay folks, so here you have it, 3 steaks cut up. And what I've made here is, this is just a simple teriyaki ginger infused with sesame oil and some spices and whatnot. Anyways, that'll be at the end of the video. And we're just gonna pour that onto the beef. And we're gonna give this a stir, and we're gonna let that rest for about an hour. So we'll be back. So, now that you've joined me on the hot side, I've got the pan warming up. I'm gonna put a little bit of sesame oil in here. And this beef that's been marinating for about an hour, we're gonna put it in. Okay, we've got the water almost boiling for the noodles, and the beef here is done. I'm gonna pull it off to the side and we're gonna fire up the veggies. I'm gonna put a little sesame oil in here for the veggies. Okay, again folks, you see we're about to put the veggies in. The pan is heating up. We'll give this a bit of a spin. We're going to throw in some steam-fried noodles. Noodles need to cook for, I don't know, probably about 3-4 minutes. I like to have my veggies a little al dente. I like them still firm. I don't like them soft and mushy. So this is a few minutes to go here. Soften the broccoli. And then I have some fresh bean sprouts that I have washed and ready to go. I'm just going to top that off. Okay, we are going to take the noodles over to drain and let's put it together. We're going to take this over here as we put our dinner together here. All right, everyone, we are back at the station and this was our mission. And if you chose to accept it, this is where we're at. And this is the rewards at the end. We're going to stack this. We have some steam-fried noodles. Let's get some veggies on here. Oh, this is looking like a haystack. And let's get the beef on top. Why is the meat always on top? And we're going to top it off with a little bit of toasted sesame. Do you know that 72% of our viewers have not subscribed? So, you know, it would help our channel. So subscribe and like, it's free. And I do want to tell you, every like matters. And I mean that sincerely. So I hope you enjoy this, and we'd love your feedback. Cheers, everyone.